Mga manang, samahan niyo akong mag-food trip dito sa Penang. This is Hert Evangelista and this is my Malaysia Live and Alive in Penang. Obviously, this is not my first time, but there's something in Penang that you really want to come back, especially the food. Although accessible naman ito around Kuala Lumpur, but nothing beats Penang food if you experience them mismo dito sa lungsod nila. We are too early, so we went to Penang Hill, a must visit especially if you're chasing both sunrise and sunset. Nakita nyo naglalambitin sila pero hindi sila mapanakit. We traveled via funicular train, may discount if you have your visa or iCard with you. Dahil wala pang open na restaurant sa taas at kapeng-kape na kami, alam mo naman kami mga tita, we cannot function well pag walang coffee. So we went to Gravy Baby for coffee kasi sa tapat nito, may mga kainan ng roasted pork and marinated sauce ng pork barbecue na pinipilaan talaga. 10 a.m. pa sila nagbukas, so we really waited like we're standing on business kasi pag bukas ng shop, pila na ang mga local at tourists. In just 2 to 3 hours, nakuubos ang display nila. Ganun katindi. They are known for their smoky pork barbecue and roasted barbecue. Alam mo, ang dami namin in-order. Parang feeling ko, busog na kami pero hindi pa kami sumusuko. Okay, sabihin ninyo siguro, meron naman ganyan sa Kuala Lumpur, bakit ka pa magbabiyahe sa Penang? Pero iba talaga yung lasa niya. As in, slow cooking is the best. Hindi ko nga alam kung bakit wala pa rin silang Michelin star. Kailangan ba mag-apply doon? I don't know. Nag-order din kami ng 3 sabaw. Akala namin small soup lang ito, yung typical small bowl of soup. Pero, pang pamilya pa lang isang bowl. But wait, there's more. Sa likod ng kainan na ito, meron isang kusina turned into a restaurant. Family-owned siya and they renovated the place but decided to keep the kitchen as a main entrance. Kaya pagpasok mo pa lang, kitang-kita mo na yung mga staff while busy cooking dishes and desserts. Why I kept going back in this place? Because I felt like there's unfinished business. Sobrang happy ko if I'm here in Penang. Gustong-gusto ko yung place kasi laid back lang, hindi rush. The slow cooking, the local stocking, perfection. So come and visit Penang. This is Hert Evangelista.